geometrical progressions and geometrical series. What is geometrical progressions? This is the geometrical progressions. अगर एक टर्म इस तरफ की हो, a, you see a1 है, ये फर्स्ट a1 है, ये a2 है, ये a3 है, this a4 and so on, in such a way, इस तरह से है that the ratio of second term to the first one is equal to ratio of the third forms to the second one is equal to the ratio of the fourth term to the third one. ये अगर इस तरह का कोई आता है, कोई टर्म इस तरह से बनी है कि the ratio of the term to the previous term एक constant है, is a constant k, supposing r. This is known as geometrical progressions. एक टर्म है, उस टर्म का अपने आगे वाली टर्म से जो अनुपात है वो एक कांस्टेंट है, उसको r से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ऐसी सीरीज को ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशंस कहते हैं और इस r को कॉमन रेशियो कहते हैं. जैसे कि अरिथमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशंस में डिफरेंस होता था, डिफरेंस ऑफ द term with the previous is always constant and that is known as common difference. उसको डिफरेंस करते थे कि सेकेंड टर्म्स का फर्स्ट से डिफरेंस, थर्ड टर्म्स का सेकेंड डिफरेंस, वो एक कांस्टेंट होता था. और ऐसी सीरीज को उसको हम अरिथमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशंस कहते थे. और अगर सपोजिंग a1 इस तरह से a1 प्लस a2 प्लस a3 एंड सो ऑन हो और ये कंडीशन के साथ हो, इसको ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज कहेंगे. दिस इज ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन, दिस इज ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज इफ वी आर यूजिंग द एड साइन ऑफ एड एंड कंडीशन विद द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज एंड ज्योमेट्रिकल progression, same as in the case of arithmetical series and arithmetical progressions. अगर arithmetical ये terms arithmetical progression की condition को follow करें, it means a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 minus is equal to a4 minus a3, तो उनकी जो इस केस में ये वाली सीरीज arithmetical सीरीज बन जाएगी और arithmetical progression की वो प्रॉपर्टी होगी. यहाँ पे ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन की ये प्रॉपर्टी है और तब ये सीरीज ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज कहलाएगी. बस दिस इज ओनली द लॉजिक. अब सो दिस नाउ यू प्लीज थिंक इट योरसेल्फ. सपोजिंग दिस इज द ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज a1 a2 a3 एंड सो ऑन अप टू an. तो ये a2 कितनी होगी? एक का कंडीशन है, कंडीशन ये चीज है ना, a2 अपॉन a1 इज इक्वल टू r. It means a2 will be equal to, यहां से a2 will be equal to a1 into r. Correct? Same a3 upon a2. a3 upon a2, this will be equal to r. It means that a3 is equal to a2 into r, but a2 is equal to a1 into r, so that a2 will equal to a2, this a3 can be written as a into r to the power 2 because a1 this a1 into r to the power 2, this will be a3. It means जनरल फॉर्मूला ये बना कि that a1 is the first term, या a1 हटा ही देते हैं, a1 is the first term, a is the series, the second term can be written as ar, third term can be written as ar square, fourth term can be written as ar cube and so on so on. अगर टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज n है, फिर से सोचिए n है, ये आपकी देखिए दिख रहे, फर्स्ट टर्म में सिंगल है, सेकंड टर्म में a की पावर 1, थर्ड टर्म में a की पावर 2, फोर्थ टर्म में a की पावर 3. तो इफ n आर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द टर्म, तो उसमें r की पावर कितनी होगी? n minus 1. दिस इज द फर्स्ट, दिस इज द सेकंड, दिस इज द थर्ड. देखिए r की पावर, ये थर्ड है लेकिन टू पावर है, सेकंड है लेकिन सिंगल पावर है, फर्स्ट है कोई पावर नहीं, किसकी? r की. तो सर जनरल फॉर्मूला बन गया that if a series with a member of the term A2, A3, A1, following the conditions that A2 upon A1 is equal to A3 upon A2 is equal to common difference R, then nth term can be obtained by the formula A is equal to R minus A into R to the power ns5, ns minus 1. ओके, अगर किसी कोई भी ज्योमेट्रिकल टर्म A1, A2, A1, A2, A3 ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज को कंडीशंस अप्लाई कर रही है, उनका कॉमन रेशियो R अगर होता है जो इस कंडीशन को फॉलो करता है A2 upon A1 is equal to A3 upon A2 is equal to A4 A3 and so on, उस कंडीशन में ज्योमेट्रिकल कॉम्बिनेशंस की कंडीशन को फॉलो करता है और टोटल ऑफ नंबर टर्म्स n होंगे तो nth टर्म जो होगी उसकी वैल्यू A into R to the power n minus 1 होगी. This is the formula for the arithmetical progressions. ठीक है, अभी हम समरी बाद में बताएंगे. First of all, we have to simply solve the question related to with these conditions. Okay. Now I am taking a book. इसको रब करते हैं, फिर बुक निकाल के आपको फिर से 3 4 क्वेश्चन करा देंगे एक सीरीज में. ओके, वेट अ मिनट. This is a book in which we are going to solve the questions related with arithmetical progressions. This is exercise number 6.4. Exercise 6.4. of this book. Question number 1. This is the book of M.Agrawal. Okay? Book of M.Agrawal. क्लास 11th की है, कोड है 241 241. This is the code of the book. Course. Okay. The question is, find the 50th term of the series. A series is given to us. Series means, if series is given to us, it means between two consecutive terms there will be the plus sign or minus sign, whatever the type of the series. Now, question is, we have to find the fifth term of the series. Series are given to us as, that is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon 3 root 3 and so on, so on. We have to find 15th term is equal to what? This is to be determined. A, we are given, what we are given? A is equal to root of 3 and R is equal to what? R is equal to A2 second term upon A1, that is 1 upon root 3 upon root 3, that is 1 upon 3. This is calculated by us. Now formula to find the 15th term, A 15th. This can be written as a into r to the power 15 minus 1. That is a r to the power 40. Correct? Now we have to find the value of this 50 term. Putting the a15. This is a15 is to be found. Okay. The value of a is root 3 and r is equal to 1 upon 3 whole to the power 40. Now, this can be written as r to the power 3 into this can further be, because this is root 3, so that we can write it as 3 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power this can be written root 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 14. Correct? Now this will be equal to root 3 into 1 to the power 14 is what is root 3 to the power 2 into 14. Because formula क्या होता है a to the power n whole to the power m is equal to a to the power n into m. ये फॉर्मूला होता है. तो ये नीचे की तरफ है, नीचे की तरफ रूट 3 है, रूट 3 की पावर 2 करके लिखा, 3 को रूट 3 की पावर 2 लिखा. जब ये इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट जाएगा 14, then it will be equal to root 3 to the power 28 is equal to root 3 upon root 3 to the power 28. Okay. It means 1 root 3 will get cancelled. जब ये जाएगा तो 1 प्लस हो जाएगा by root 3 की पावर 1 प्लस 1 minus 28. This can be written as a power जाती है a to the power m upon a to the power n. This is a to the power m minus n होता है. ओके, इंडिसेस में सिखाया जाता है. रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू 1, रूट 3 पावर 1 ऊपर जाएगा माइनस 28. इट विल बी इक्वल टू रूट 3 टू द पावर minus 27. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Okay? It was the first question. Now second one is it can also be written as 3 to the power minus 27 by 2. This is somehow some students are saying that this is answer. This is same thing. Root 3 to the power minus 27 or 3 to the power minus 27 by root 2. This because 1 upon 2 shows the root. This is, we are not writing here root. This is the simple 3. In terms of 3, it can be written as minus 3 to the power minus 27 by 2. Or in terms of root 3, we can write it as root of 3 to the power minus 27. Okay? Question is second one. Find the 10th and nth term of the sequence 5, 25 and 125. Second questions. Okay. Second question. This is the first question. इसको नोट कीजिए. अब हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Find the 10th and the nth term of the sequence given as 5, 25, 125. We are given a sequence. Sequence is 5. Sequence is 5, We are given sequences 5, 5, 25, and 125. Now this is written without plus sign. It is what? It is geometrical progression. It is a geometrical progression हो गया. And अगर series होती then it addition should be written. अगर हम series का शब्द इस्तेमाल करेंगे then we'll say it will be geometrical series. This is a arithmetical progressions. It means A is equal to 5 and R is equal to second term upon first, that is 5. Okay, we have to find 10th term and nth term. 10th term as for formula a tenth. This will equal to a into r to the power 10 minus 1. Because ANS general formula ANS is 8 into r to the power n minus 1. In place of here n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Then we can find the value of 8, 10. This will be equal to A. A is equal to 5 into R is equal to also 5. Whole to the power 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, that is 5 to the power 10. This is the answer. And this is simple the formula which is asked. Okay, this is the answer. And then what he said? And then similarly, this will be the formula and this nth term will be A. A is equal to 5 into R is equal to 5 to the power n minus 1. Now it means 5 are having, this is 1 power of 5 plus n minus 1. Simply this get cancelled, 5 to the power n. An will be equal to 5 to the power n. This is A10. These are the two answers. nth term की बन गया 5, A की जगह 5 लिखा, R की जगह n 5 लिखा to the power n minus 1. So this is 5 to the power 1 plus 5 to the power n plus क्या होता है A into A m, and where this will be equal to A to the power m plus n plus 1. ये same is the formula is to be used here. Okay, these are the questions. Question number first, the part first and second done by me. Now we can do the another question, question number 2 also here. What is the question? Which term of the sequence is 128? एक term दे रखी है. Term is equal to 2 root 3, 2 root 2, 4 and so on, so on. This is the sequence given to us. Which term will be equal to 128 is equal to n is equal to what? Which an? An is to be obtained. Which n is to be obtained? कौन सी term 128 होगी? The value of which term become 128? ये sequence दे रखा है. It means this is A. We are given what? Solution. A we are given 2. And D is equal to 2 root 2 upon 2. It means D is equal to root 2. These are given to us. Then which term will become 128? Suppose an is equal to 128. It means n is equal to what? This is to be found. So an का formula, this 128 will be equal to A into r to the power n minus 1. Okay, it means 128 is equal to A. A is equal to 2 into r to the power n minus 1. R is equal to root 2. D, this is the, D in the case of arithmetic progressions. This is the geometrical progression, so that we should use R. हमें R इस्तेमाल करना है, D arithmetical progressions में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है क्योंकि वो डिफरेंस होता है, ये रेशियो होता है. ओके, ठीक है. तो R की वैल्यू रूट 2 है, होल टू द पावर n माइनस 1. इसको लिखा जा सकता है रूट 2 मीन्स रूट 2 to the power 2 into root 2 to the power n minus 1. It means this is nothing but root 2 to the power n plus 2 हो गया, n plus 1. ओके, ये हो गया. देखिए रूट 2 की पावर n minus 1 plus 2 होगा तो n plus 1. Now this can also be converted in terms of 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 60 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128. It means it is 2 to the power 7. It is 2 to the power 7. 128 can be written as 2 to the power 7. Or we can say root 2 to the power 14. This is equal to root 2 to the power n plus 1. Now base are same on both these sides. It is n plus 1 is equal to 14. Because bases are same. Same. They are same. Bases are same, so that we can use n plus 1. It means that n plus 1 is equal to 14. It means n is equal to 13. This is the answer. The 13th term, the value of the 13th term in this series will be equal to 128. Okay. 3-in-1 questions. Okay. From the very beginning, I have started this video. Step by step, you have understand this. I think you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. आपको अच्छी तरह समझ में आया होगा. स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपने ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशंस और ज्योमेट्रिकल सीरीज में डिफरेंस समझा. उसका टर्म्स का रेशियो को आर कहते हैं और उनका फॉर्मूला डेरिवेशन समझा. उसके अलावा मैंने आपको 3-4 क्वेश्चंस में करा दिए. अगली उसमें और भी अच्छे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चंस में लेके आऊंगी, इंटरेस्टिंग और इजीएस्ट वे में सॉल्व करने के लिए. प्लीज रिमेन इन टच विद मी. Don't forget to like and subscribe me and give me the comment also. And thanks for watching my video again and again. These all the things are motivation, source of motivation for me. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.